Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And again, we have our special friend with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Callan.
Callan, what are we making today?
Today we are making glasses of lemonade.
Ooh,
Ooh.
Look at that.
that looks nice.
Thank you. So before we begin, I'd like to lead us in a breath where we work on squeezing our lemons like you would for making a glass of lemonade.
Okay.
So we're going to take a deep breath in. And while you're doing that, squeeze your lemons really, really tight. Imagine all the juice coming out of there. And then just let it go.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready to squeeze the lemons.
Awesome. Ready?
Mhm.
Deep breath in. Hold it. And let it go. One more time. Deep breath in. And let it go.
Nice. Thank you.
So what supplies do we need?
We are going to need cardboard, paint, lemons or limes, a paintbrush, tape or glue, a straw, and scissors.
Okay, so what is the first step?
First step is to cut the shape of a glass out of cardboard, as we already did that. And then you want to paint it. I did this one pink because I like pink lemonade.
I did the same.
Yeah.
I thought it would be fun, but you could do any color you want. Blue lemonade, even blue raspberry lemonade. You can go crazy with it.
I cut mine out of a box, just a plain cardboard box, but I see you use like a cereal box.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Right, anything will work. I actually used the back of a notepad.
All right, so what's next?
The next step would to have somebody cut your lime or lemon for you. Remember to be safe with that. And then you want to take the half of the lime or lemon and stick it in some paint. So I have some paint right here. I'm going to stick it right in. Make sure it's all covered. And then I'm going to press it onto my cardboard cutout of my glass.
Okay.
And it creates this kind of like lemon stamp almost.
Can you hold yours up now that you've...
Of course. This is what I've got so far.
Nice.
And you can use any color you want. I'm just using yellow because I thought it would show up pretty nice against the pink.
Yeah. I'm doing some as a round one, and then I did one.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Thank you.
Yeah, that way you could get some small ones on.
Yeah, that just worked out pretty well to do here's what the half ones look like.
Ooh, those look good. You got a good stamp going.
Thank you.
You could also do it like on the edge of the shape.
Yeah, I did something like that too on the corner down here.
Oh, nice.
And you can do as many stamps as you want for this, as many lemons as you'd like.
Okay. And then once you have your lemons, what's the next step, Callan?
It would be to draw on your ice cubes. So on this sample, I drew my ice cubes and then I put a little glitter on them because I like the way it was shiny, like how ice cubes
I like that.
sparkle in the sun almost.
Okay.
So you can just use a paintbrush and some white paint and paint on little ice cubes.
Okay. And I don't have a paintbrush, so I'm using a Q-tip, which works great.
Good idea.
Great.
Ever since we started talking about doing this craft, I've been craving a nice glass of like fresh lemonade.
I know, me too. I have a lemonade joke for you.
Okay.
All right. So, where did the baseball keep his lemonade or her lemonade?
Oh, I think I know, but I'm not going to say.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you, in a picture.
Good.
That was good. I didn't see that one coming.
Thank you.
I have one.
Ooh,
Okay.
a 2-joke video. This is a lucky day.
I know. What do you give a sick lemon?
Well,
8.
I don't know, Peggy. What do you give a sick lemon?
Lemonade.
I was just about to say that, but I was thinking aid instead of lemonade.
Yeah.
Very good.
I didn't think there would be any jokes about lemonade, but there was.
I can tell you there are jokes about everything. And when there's not, then you make them up.
Yes.
Okay, so I have my ice cubes painted in.
Yeah.
Awesome. That looks great. I do too. I added a lot of ice cubes. I like my drinks cold
Oh, wow, that's good.
so far.
I have a few. I'll add some more.
Okay, nice.
And then
And
what's the last step going to be?
The final step is going to be to tape your straw on. So I created a straw out of cardboard and I taped it on the back just so I had more room for lemons in the front. But you can use a real straw and tape it wherever you want.
Okay, and what I did, I didn't have a straw, so I cut a paper bag and rolled it up and taped it, and then I painted it orange. So now I have a orange straw. And
Awesome.
I'm
I
gonna
have a regular straw. I like your idea of putting it on the back, Cal, and then you can have more room.
I'm putting mine on the front, and I want to see how that goes. It's a little tricky because the paint is still wet, but I'm going to do it.
Yeah, that's what I found when I was putting my straw on. That's how it ended up in the back.
But look, it
I
worked.
think it looks equally as good in the front.
Yeah,
Thank you.
my glue's not sticking. I think I need tape, but
So now we can all have some lemonade.
yes. Happy summer.
Yes.
Thank you for showing us. This was really fun. I love how they look.
Of
Yeah,
course.
me too.
And if you'd like to see some more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Yeah, have fun.